It has been rough, and I really have gotten to the point where I just couldn't deal with it anymore, and that's why I reached out to you. So.
A viewer reaching out to the Click to Houston help desk after spending months trying to get her insurance to replace her roof. This is what the roof looks like. There's patchwork to prevent rain from getting into their home.
Yeah, the damage came after Hurricane Beryl hit last year. Ever since, she tells our Rowan Logan, she's battling her insurance to pay.
The spring homeowner says she had no idea there was a hole in her roof until days after Hurricane Beryl, when she was driving home and she happened to see it from the corner of her eye.
I know the hole is huge. Like, you can see it from down the street.
So you reached out to the help desk after trying to go your own way with your insurance to try and repair the roof after Hurricane Beryl.
Yes. So it's been kind of an ongoing battle.
Amy Volz filed her claims with State Farm in the days after Hurricane Beryl. Once they sent someone over, she was told it would cost roughly $2,000 to repair her roof. She got a second opinion from a contractor who said she needed to replace the entire roof, which would cost roughly $40,000. Then they got a third opinion for $35,000 to replace the roof.
We have a $9,000 deductible, and we're okay with that. We're going to pay that deductible. That's fine. But we shouldn't have to pay for the other $20,000 to $30,000 because we've been paying our dues, our policy forever.
Why do you believe State Farm is saying, hey, it's only going to cost X amount, while you have other roofers and contractors saying it's going to cost more than double what they're suggesting?
They just don't want to pay it. And so I think that's just their way of not paying. And I think that they know that people are busy and people work and don't have time. And I'm blessed to be retired, so I have all the time in the world to make sure that they're going to pay it.
This morning at 7 o'clock, I reached out to State Farm regarding the Volz situation and seeing if the insurance company had anything to say regarding what has taken so long with this issue. And in the just last few minutes, we have heard from State Farm, coming up at 5 o'clock, what they're sharing with us. In Spring, Roman Logan, KPRC 2 News.